Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The camera opens on a sweeping shot of an empty coastal highway at sunrise as the 2026 Maserati Levante GT SUV glides into the frame, its new aerodynamic silhouette catching the golden light. The roar of the updated twin-turbo powerplant fills the air, instantly announcing that this is not just another luxury SUV but a statement of pure Italian performance. The narrator speaks with energy as the Levante surges forward, highlighting the redesigned front fascia, sharper LED matrix headlights, and the signature trident badge that gleams with unmistakable confidence. The scene shifts to a close-up of the sculpted hood as the narrator explains how Maserati has enhanced the Levante GT for 2026 with improved airflow, lightweight materials, and subtle but aggressive lines that give it an unmistakably sporty presence. The camera then sweeps along the side profile, capturing the floating roof design, new 21-inch alloy wheels, and bold GT badging. The SUV powers through a dynamic corner on a winding mountain road, showcasing its adaptive air suspension and enhanced Q4 all-wheel drive system that grips the road like a true performance machine. Now the video transitions into the interior, where the cabin lighting slowly illuminates the handcrafted leather seats stitched to perfection by Maserati artisans. The narrator describes how the 2026 Levante GT takes luxury to another level with premium materials, extended soft-touch surfaces, carbon fiber accents, and a redesigned center console that places every control exactly where the driver needs it. The new 14.9-inch curved infotainment display lights up with Maserati's latest intelligent interface, offering sharper graphics, faster response time, and a smooth voice-activated assistant that responds instantly. The driver runs their hand across the leather-wrapped steering wheel, and the camera follows the gesture, capturing the elegance of the trident embossed controls. Next, the script dives into performance as the Levante GT races across a desert straightaway, the sound of the engine escalating into a thrilling crescendo. The narrator highlights the updated powertrain, more refined turbo technology, and improved transmission tuning that allow the SUV to accelerate with effortless power while maintaining perfect stability. Shots of the exhaust pipes crackling under high load emphasize the symphony of mechanical excellence that Maserati is known for. The SUV then climbs a rugged incline, proof that the Levante GT isn't only about speed but versatile capability thanks to its multiple terrain modes and intelligent traction systems. The camera cuts to a peaceful suburban scene as the Levante GT parks gracefully in front of a modern villa. The narrator points out the enhanced driver assistance features, including advanced lane monitoring, 360-degree vision, adaptive cruise control, and new autonomous parking capabilities. A shot of the panoramic sunroof sliding open fills the interior with light as the narrator emphasizes the blend of performance and comfort that makes the SUV perfect for families, long journeys, and everyday luxury. The final montage showcases the Levante GT driving through vibrant city streets at night, its LED taillights leaving a striking trail of red as it passes by. The music grows more intense, and the narrator delivers the closing message with excitement, stating that the 2026 Maserati Levante GT SUV brings a new era of Italian excellence, merging raw power, refined craftsmanship, and advanced technology into a masterpiece built for those who demand something more than transportation. The camera zooms in on the iconic trident badge one last time as the engine revs and the SUV rockets into the night, leaving viewers with a sense of thrill and anticipation for what Maserati has crafted for the future. We'll see you next video.